Hey guys, so today we've got a leaf spring here that's broken off, basically cracked and split, and it's the top leaf. So it needs to be welded back together, or you could buy a new leaf spring, but who wants to do that? So I basically welded it back together on one side and grind the bead flush, is what I've done so far. But I'm pretty sure it would break again, so I'm going to put two more pieces of steel on top, and I can't see how that could break ever. So here, let's take a close-up. I'll show you where it's broken. Okay, so see the crack was right here, and I just weld it together and grind it flush with this apparatus here. Probably spent about a half hour doing that, so I didn't think anyone would want to watch that. But I'm going to put this plate on top of the crack, pretty close to this bolt here, but not so close that you can't get a socket to take it off later. And see, I grind all the rust off already. And we're just going to weld right here and right here. And every time you weld on spring steel, the spring steel is turned into regular steel. It's not springy in the weld location. So that's why I'm not going to weld here. If I weld here, it'll break right here. But if I weld here and here, it won't break. And if I put one here, I have to put one here so the U-bolt plate will be flat. So I'm going to do one over here. Even though there's no cracks over here, I'll do it anyway. So that's it. Let's do it. And the rod is going to be this is a 70-14 rod, 1/8 inch diameter, and I have a pretty long extension cord, so I'm using the full power on this. It's a 225 amp AC. Okay, looks like you can see. Okay, let's get started. Trying to get it straight. Alright, it's straight. Here we go. Need the ground, of course. Right there. New rod. Now the back side. Uh-oh. This rod's too long. We'll have to do another pass on the front with this one. Okay, the back side. Let's see how we're doing on time here. 7 minutes, that's okay. Another rod, we need it, so let's do it. Okay, this is a great trick, watch. Alright, look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Look, we can... See, we can weld in this crevice now. Now let's take a close-up look. Everyone excited, right? Let's see. How do I... Wow, that looks fantastic. Okay. Does anyone think this will break? Will this last another 50 years of driving? Should be, right? Here's a little U-bolt plate I made earlier. Let's see. So this is a trailer part, but it was too narrow, so I cut it down the middle and welded this piece on here. So yeah, that'll have to do. I might add another piece here. Haven't decided yet. But anyway, at least our leaf spring's finished. The other side was in good shape, so I'll just leave it alone, I think. And something else I thought would be good. This is a extra leaf I put in. It's from I think it was a 80s Chevy truck. This is an 80s Chevy truck overload leaf. So now I got some extra leaves in this Mustang. And here was those shocks I was talking about. See how it has this little air tube? And here's the car. Really great car. Everything fantastic. Look at this window. They even wrote my name on it when they sold it. Isn't that great? Looks brand new, this windshield. There it is. Don't try to pretend like you're not jealous, because I can tell. Okay, have a good one, everyone.